Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this video shutter transition in CapCut. So what you need to do is prepare your videos and import it to CapCut. And you need to put one video as in the main track or as the main video and the other as overlay, but position them like this. And then after that you can just add two keyframes on each of the overlay, one at the start and the other one at the start of the next video. Like this, just repeat the same steps for all of the videos. So after the keyframes are added to all of the overlay video, what you need to do is go to the first keyframe and drag the video up. So repeat the same steps for all of the overlay video like this. So now let's export this project, and after that you can open it in the new project to add the motion blur effect. So this is the video with video shutter transition, and now you can just go to the motion blur. So click on the video and find motion blur, this one. Adjust the blur to 100 and also the blend to 45. After that, click on the check icon, this one. So now CapCut will applying the motion blur. You can just wait until it finish. So now this is the final result for the video shutter transition. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.